Mention the ringtones in this review, so I'm just going to show you, or basically so you can hear some of them. So in here we've got a number of options here. Now I'm going to go into notification settings, and you can see all the notification settings. I go into messaging, so you got all the options here about sound, on, off. You can have a badge, app icon, stuff like that. You can change the way settings are displayed, time and date, screen switch off. You've got a lot of settings in here, the LED, LCD backlight, etc., and the digital clock layout. Now, if I go into profiles and options and customize, now I've set everything to vibrate at the moment, and you'll realise why if I try and get the ringtones going. So let's change the alerts to ring, and then hopefully, is he going to play any? Is he going to tell me what these are like? I'm going to put these on. So it would appear I have to hold it down for you. The ringtones likewise are pretty well, individual, shall we say. I shall try and turn that up a little. I don't know why it's so quiet. You can hear that. That's ringtone number 1. Ringtone number 2. And it goes on. Similar sort of vein, as you can tell. There's you can, yeah. Anyway, to make that stop, please make that stop. You can select from the file if you wish, and do it that way. But yeah, let's just have a little listen to some of those ringtones, if you wish. So they're kind of great. You can add in your own ringtones, but you can change the profiles here. And okay, so there you go. So I'm going to connect now to my smart tablet, which is over here in the background, and we shall try, and we'll see how successful this is. I'm going to take a photo, and I'm going to try and view it on my tablet. So let's go to camera and take a photo of my completely filthy car. Oh, here you go. Let's take a picture of the trees outside. There you go. And now options, send via Bluetooth to my device. Now my device is saying it's receiving a file, so let's see what the file looks like on a bigger screen. So it's coming in. Here's my file from my Atongm I can't even pronounce it, device. And there's the photo that it took. It's not too bad. I'll put this in the review. I'll take a few more photos. So it's a 3 megapixel camera, we think, in the device. Some specs show it as a 2 to 5 megapixel camera. I have no idea. It's whatever they've got lying around by the looks of it. But it just shows that you can. Hopefully, let's see if we can. Now that we're paired, let's see if we can do something cool. Like if I go into Google. And I go and say, okay Google, let's see if I can do that. Okay, so let's get started. Yeah, right. So let's see if we can talk to my okay, so here we go. Okay Google, what's the weather like today? Having a think.
Today's forecast for STE1, United Kingdom, is 8 degrees and cloudy.
Okay, so the volume comes out of my phone there, my watch, should I say, not my phone. I keep saying watch and phone. Let's just see if I can. So let me try and bring it a little bit closer for you. I think that's about as close as I can get it without blurring. So we'll do it again. Okay, Google. What's the weather going to be like tomorrow?
Tomorrow's forecast for ST1, United Kingdom is 9 degrees with a chance of rain.
Oh, she's gone off. It's kind of quiet, but you can hear that. Again, to get the volume up, I'm going to have to go in here and kind of mess about with the volume settings and customize and a message volume. Peak. Oh, by the way, there's these sort of wake up tones as well and stuff like that. But yeah, so there we go. But that's another quick look at the watch, the Atongm W008.